Keep your pants on. It's a family channel. Do I look cute? Do I look like a Pokemon trainer? My feet stink. I know it's my destiny. Lead me on.
So welcome back to our second unboxing ever. And from cameraman to co-host, I have my beautiful fiance, Kayla Bazina. And Kayla, what are we gonna be doing today?
We're gonna open 4 tins and 3 of these really fun Pokeball
Yeah, we spent
tins.
hours scouring the entire city and basically went to Sam's Club to get some food for tonight and found these. So that's kind of what happened. So
They sell like Christmas.
yeah, I thought that'd be cool to put the Pokeballs on for like the set, maybe. Be kind of cool. Yeah.
Sounds like
and
Christmas.
it's like a Christmas ornament right there. So, and then don't forget to power up that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell because we have some cool stuff coming for you. And you know, we've done a little foreshadowing. Okay, that's the last time, right? But we are excited to open these, get it together. I can't exactly remember what was in the binder, but I don't think any of us will be disappointed. You know what? This one's done. Done with this one. Let me go pick that up. Ready?
Give me the Ultra Ball.
Ultra Ball. Right here. All right. So I would say you want to just open all 3 of them and then do the pack thing?
Sure.
Let's do that. You start with this one. I will open the standard Pokeball. Does it make you feel like a kid again?
It does.
Isn't it exciting?
And it's not like one of those Christmases that you have to fake the smile for,
No,
the
yeah.
gifts. No, it's not that.
This is the card
The holographic.
that comes in the tin. Very nice.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Here is another.
Tin's very pretty.
I'm gonna take Would you like the commemorative coin?
That was in there. That's so disappointing. Oh, there's 3 packs in there. Okay.
Boom. Now we got some new decorations.
Oh my goodness.
Really neat. Let's see. Let's see if it's 4 cards. Feels like there's less cards in this one.
Nope.
All right. What color? What energy?
It's not 4 cards.
Oh, it must be 3 card. All right. Well, boom. Surprise.
Surprise.
So it must be 3 card like the old packs. So it is Pidgeot EX. So we're gonna hold these right here and go through them. So surprise, Pidgeot, Porygon, Full Heal, Poliwhirl, Pikachu, Growlithe, Machop, Nidoran, Ponyta, and holographic energy.
She's. Oh, you sure? Oh, they're pretty energy. Double colorless energy. Machop. Machoke. Kaichoked. Coughing. Tangela. Poliwag. Seal. Magikarp. Energy. Poliwhirl. Poliwhirl.
Is that your last one?
Yeah, that's it. What you got? What you got?
Well, I would say that.
No. I'll sleeve it myself.
Okay.
Backpack. This is my card.
All right.
You gonna pull your cards out or what? You gonna show me your cards?
Sweetheart, these are the cards from the first pack. That's your first pack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you lost.
Oh, no, I did not.
Poliwhirl is the most trash pull Pokemon.
Pidgeot? That's the worst character. You take your chicken elsewhere.
Okay, so we're gonna have a person who doesn't like to lose. So it does not matter to me. All right. So, would you like to win this one, baby?
I mean, I want it.
Okay, comment below who won below, but we know. All right, so let's see what you got.
Yay! Doduo. Bonita.
You got something good back there.
Tangela. Weedle. Sandshrew. A trainer card. A trainer card. A Magmar.
A fire chicken. Ooh, Pidgeot EX. Let me do my. Oh,
Hello.
is that good? Like Charizard's amazing, so is that good during this?
I don't know. Maybe one day it will be. Think I won.
I would say that is a win for this one. I'm gonna do the 3-card trick. All right.
Trainer.
Pokedex,
Look at that.
Porygon, Pidgeot Spirit Link. Never seen that before. Caterpie,
Throw in the trash.
Doduo, Pikachu, Machop, Growlithe,
I like his little lines.
Fire Energy Holographic, and Electrode.
Oh.
Yeah, you definitely won that one.
Put him somewhere too. Look how pretty he is. He's nothing special, but he's no Charizard.
That's true. Is good. Oh, so we have Fight Energy. We have Dugtrio, which is good. It's not a rare, it's weird. All right, so we got Pinsir. Got Choice Helmet. Everything's a choice.
It's the kidney.
Stunfish. Is that right? Stunfish?
Stunfish.
Stunfic.
I don't know.
Yep.
It's a kidney.
No idea. Ooh, we got a Chikatoria. Can't even know if I'm saying it right. That's cool. Meow's cool.
Yeah, it looks weird. I don't like it. It looks like a fish.
He's a basic card, so not even close. I don't
Like a
know if I
mask.
this. Jigglypuff. Oh, we got a reverse holographic Chikatori. Chikatoria? Can't ever say it right. And a Ho. Okay, that's a Ho-Ho, but it's not holographic. I really wish this was holographic. I want a Ho-Ho.
Oh, you want to have
Who are you gonna guess?
Fine.
Leaf. All right, so we got a Leaf Energy. We got a Graveler. We got a Fighting Memory. We got a...
Gastrodon.
Yeah, Gastrodon. Looks like a little gas right there. I have no idea. Jigglypuff. You like him? Execute. We got a Stuffle. Stuffle.
Little stuffle right there.
Magikarp. I feel like we got something here. I see a reverse.
Who cares?
Yeah. And another non-holographic.
Boo-boo.
All right, you're up. Water.
Water. Got a milk tank. A counter energy. A Piloswine. Piloswine. It's cute. I like it. But I can't pronounce it. Cutie.
And a cutie.
Corphish.
Corphish.
Ghastly.
That's a good
Aaron. Dino. Dino.
one. Oh, what you got there?
Ooh,
Oh,
she's
yeah.
pretty.
That's a second gen.
Altaria.
All right, what else you got in the back?
I don't know, but I like her. I win.
And you got the same thing I got, so you can take
Looks
it.
like Halloween.
Yeah. Hey, good timing. Gently. Fighting Energy. No, still terrible.
Power up that electricity.
Nope, I'm just not even gonna try anymore.
Nope, Olivia. Lunatunas. Sneasel.
Sneasel.
Grimer. That's a crazy looking Grimer.
Rots.
Ralts.
Why is the
Vulpix.
Vulpix white?
I don't know. Just
Oh.
white Vulpix.
She's an albino.
Hoot Hoot. What a Hoot Hoot this is. Okay.
Toxicroak.
Toxicroak. That's cool. And a Diancie?
Sounds good to me.
Yep.
Looks like you lost though. Oh no, that one's pretty. I
You
didn't
talk a lot of
realize
smack. Why don't you open your pack?
Yeah.
Lightning Energy.
Lightning, I feel
Electric.
a fighter.
Okay.
I feel a gray card that I don't know about. Nocto. Knock-Octo. The trainer card. This guy. Pikachu. Panpour. Cutie Fly. Hello. It's not that cute though. I mean, it's kind of cute. You tell me. Panseer. Magikarp.
Carp.
Splashing dodge. I'm glad they changed that instead of splashing you. Ooh. It's a fighter frog.
And what's your last one?
And
You
Tangrowth. Why? Why do I lose?
Because I got 2 holographics and you don't know who he is and he's the evolved form of him. So bam, here's a sleeve to go with that loss.
Okay, you go.
Lightning. Nope. Leaf energy. Is that Lena?
Yeah, it's Lena.
All right. Tormenting spray.
Heat more?
Heat more. Like whenever I warm my food up, I want to heat more. Hey, he's pretty powerful.
Yeah, it's pretty powerful. He's gonna be evolved.
No clue.
Benefit.
Horsey. Cutie fly. You're such a cutie fly. Layaba, whatever. Grimer. Okay.
Layaba.
These names are getting crazy. This is why Pokemon is not as popular in the future stuff. Why you're coming back out with the originals. You know why? Because the originals were beast.
For Borby?
I mean, you've been looking at it for about
Hopefully-
6 minutes now.
I was sounding it out.
All right. Looks like a win for Kayla.
Love it.
Man, I can't believe you pulled a Charizard.
Trader card.
It's a family channel. Put that thing back in your mouth.
Don't be so gloomy. Cutie fly. Panseer. Magikarp. I feel like I got all of these just a second ago. Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta. Woompod. Ooh, what is it?
Oh, that's a mooring.
Morty. Okay.
Okay, did we tie on the bad cards?
I don't know. This one's super cute though. Look how cute.
You're always just trying to win. Fight energy. Yeah, golly. I don't think we've gotten one yet on these. Kayla does when she's from behind the hole. Trainer. Card. We got the timer ball. Pinsir. Repel. Fearow. Okay, just making sure. Be grubbin. So not sure what you missed on this round, but boom. That's my good card. And it's Kayla's turn. It's not, okay.
Oh.
You gotta do the, okay, honey. Get it together. What are you doing?
Don't know. I don't understand. Help.
Okay. All right, Kayla's cards are Level Ball. Something.
Trainer. Oddish.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, why is it so black?
You got a, I think this is your, no, this is your
Galork.
Galork. Porygon.
I thought these were ancient. No, these are ancient.
Something.
Unknown.
And then this was your good card. So, I don't know.
This is it. If anybody knows who it is, let me know. He looks like quite the fighter.
So who wins out of Unknown and Skamori?
I'm gonna go with you.
Okay. You flip them over.
Pink energy.
So Tormenting Spray, Heat More. I'd like to heat that food up a little more. Weakness Policy. You're my weakness policy.
I don't understand.
White Vulpix. We're such a hoot. Hoot. Read that.
Ladybug? Ladybug? Ladybug?
Mudbray. Everything's like bruh, alright? Horsey. Weak reverse holographic Caterpie.
Could be
Oh.
worse. Oh. Oh, hello. That's
Oh.
not a Charizard. That's what I know it isn't.
You're just hating.
Ooh.
Dark Rye. I know he's good though. So yeah. Take that, Kayla.
Reveal.
Every Pokemon man is stressing right now.
Stress out,
every
guys.
Pokebay and bro are mad.
All right, we got one energy. Lose my voice. This trainer, Rhydon, Lunaton, Pansage, Pampor. Got a lot of P's in here.
Porygon going hard.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Ooh,
Ooh.
Charmander.
Charmander. Beware.
Beware of Dopa. Looks like Ozzy Bears.
It does look like Woody Bears. And Slowking.
I won.
We did win. It's unfortunate.
Comment below if you think Kayla is
Not very graceful.
catching them all.
I did. Oh, some fighting energy in this one.
Why'd you do it and then do it again?
Because it wasn't under the camera. Why you got so many questions? Hakumo Mo. Oh, Haunter. Trainer.
Trainer.
Ghastly. Staryu. Can you? Stuffle. Shelmet. Ooh.
Fancy.
It's not that great, but I'll take it. Carablast. Oh, another Kamehameha.
Kamehameha. Fighting energy. Energy I do not know. Exceligor? What is that? Exceligor? Yeah, sure. Kakuna. Trainer. Stuffle. Miss Drevius. All right? Mm-hmm. Nope. Skiddo. Carablast. Carablast. Ooh, he's cute. Swinub? What? Swin?
I don't know. I don't like him.
And Wigglytuff. Here you go. I wouldn't know because you take my cards.
It's
She
fine.
likes Wigglytuff. Ladies first. Ooh, it's getting electric. That's cool.
Torracat.
Meow.
Energy. Switch. Trumbeck. Sandygast. Caterpie. Am I doing it wrong?
No.
This one. More. Ooh, we're coming up. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Look how cute she is.
Fat butt cat.
He's like a mouse. And a Butterfree, okay? Butterfree.
All right.
No confusion on that Butterfree. Useless.
Fighting energy. Still the energy. I have no idea what this is called. Timer ball.
Doesn't matter.
Yep. Ultra ball.
Ultra Ball.
Ultra ball. Stuffle. Wingull. Dratini.
That's a good card. I haven't seen a Dratini
like
yet.
Dratini.
She's my girl.
Lil pup.
Little pup, my pup. Okay.
Bound sweet. Oh. A large.
Oh.
Get rid of that one.
Yeah, why does that one keep coming up? Go away.
He's a rare.
He's not. Seen him
Dratini.
twice. Dratini now. Grumpy.
Dratini.
That's so cute.
I guess Leaf. You just didn't hear it. Nest ball. I got tired of not being able to get them. Dartrix. Persian. That is a funky looking Persian. I like it. Spearow. I be grubbing. Fearow. Snubble. Sandal. Sandil. Sandil.
Doesn't matter.
Potion barb. Poison barb. Yep.
Poison Barb.
Sound it out, Grant.
It's close enough to Potion.
Oh, that's something. Sandcastle Man.
Sandcastle Man.
Well,
Which is what it'd be called if it was on Digimon.
it's true. So, that was fun.
Yeah.
I think the Darkrai was cool. So, the winner of all of those would be,
That's your winner? I think
The
Dratini
Darkrai.
is. I'm going Dratini.
well, actually, so.
Oh, yeah, wait. We forgot all about the
We
Charizard.
do have a reverse holographic Charizard, which is still very cool. So, and then the Dratini.
I just love Dratini.
DG too, yeah, I love it. So
Little water
the
snake.
three wins. The three wins.
Which two of them are
somebody's
mine,
watching,
so-
and then they're gonna be like, "Nope, one of them is yours." I pulled Dratini, sweetie.
Oh, shoot.
Nope,
Fine now.
you're bending it.
I would never.
You did. You put it through.
It wasn't.
Crease.
It wasn't. It wasn't.
Crease.
It wasn't. It wasn't.
Crease.
It wasn't me.
You scratched my Dratini.
Beep. All right, get to cooking in the kitchen.